Okay, so you're telling me you don't know. So we don't know if the luggage is in Dubai or if it was even on the flight from Saudi or Riyadh or. Yep. Even the other ones.
Bless you.
Doesn't that look bigger to you?
I thought it's the same size.
I didn't even know you were behind me.
Wow, look at that.
You're a technology girl.
It's a touch screen.
It's not touchscreen.
It is.
No way. It's not touchscreen.
It is.
No way.
This one.今天跟朋友吃烤鸭，但是饭店在哪儿？哦，在这儿，在这儿。哦，在这儿。这是在开着吗？哦，好像在开。今天吃烤鸭，可以，那你先。
先要一个烤鸭嘛，
金蒜一字骨
或者京都一字骨。
对对，哇，我的口水。
啊？
来教你怎么吃烤鸭，沾一下，然后放一点点葱、蒜，不对，黄瓜，再来一块，然后呢，把它这样卷一卷。哦，这边，但是我感觉幸好我们点了另外2个菜，不然都不够。我们加这个葱什么的是加起来，
不用了，
好少都好少。
这边他也是收了133块大毛鱼，然后我们的小费的钱不够，就去车上取点零钱。那再加你啥？我看有多零，你真贱，太灵了吧！
扣好，
这样是不是有点不太好意思啊？
没，
有点过零了，不是？你呢？
Is that all of the things?
I'm gonna put air tag. Just make him hot coffee.
Yeah, let's go higher.
I'm going to dance class.
Alex.
就自然跟出去了。如果忘了手，我们就以脚为准。
I just finished my dance class and then I walk here. Then I saw that. Oh, there's double rainbow. Which one? Yes, Fiona. It's your land. Hey. Oh, you think it's just foam?
Yeah, just foams.
You like it, Mika?
Yoda. Meepa. What?
Do you like the chair, Yoda? This chair looks so good. 觉得呢？
Can I pick up this rice? Stuck to the side.
Maybe I should give you a spoon.
Oh no.
Sometimes we walk Yoda together because he likes outside, and after we walk him, his energy gonna be drained out and he'll give us a peaceful night. This cute cat and a cute dog. He looks happy. Oh, yeah.
I don't know where he wants to go. What you doing right now?
What thing you're looking for?
The thing you scoop the meat. What's that? The thing, the clams? Clams? Okay, shall we? Let's do this. Oh, this is two. Okay.
Two also, yeah, look the same. One is spicy, one is
We like
sweet.
spicy. Expert tip, you only flip once. If you flip more than once, you screw up.
That's good.
Yes, it does. It's good, huh?
What is
This side
your
good.
plane?
Tastes good, right? Be careful, you might run away with it.
Yoda, no.
Let's try it right now. Fast, try. Hot? What? I love salt. You try it. Oh, it's super salty. Here, try with a little bit.
Better.
I didn't put too much.
Yeah, I think you did too much.
I got my confidence. The cooking in this is a lot more fun for me.
He wants some.
Look how she.
Do you took bite?
No, I didn't. It just fell a little bit. Look.
So salty. How much salt?
I don't know what I put, man. And all those things are salty by nature, I think.
But it tastes good.
I think
Salt tastes good.
Tastes good. The shirt makes me look really good, actually.
Yeah, Costco shirt. You look good in all shirts.
Cringing. For the camera, are you? You get punished.
No. Nita, come here. You wanna watch Papa eat? Here, come on.
Family photo, but where's Yoda? He's always there somewhere. In the corner. Now the whole family is here. It's gone.
You gonna cook again?
Mm.
You like this though?
I do like it. It's nice. I'll cook some random shit though. I don't know.
This is pretty random.
This is Bobo's new greenhouse. It's my turn to make a story. Today Bobo got a new greenhouse. She also got 2 new plants. Or 1. 2? She drove out at 8:30 p.m. on a weekday night and just decided to go pick up 2 plants to add to the family. She loves plants. Can I see the plant, please?
Here,
These are 2 plants.
these two.
What do you think, guys? She loves them more than me?